Life is expensive, and our teens have no idea what they're in store for as an adult. I created Financial Reality Check, personal finance and budgeting workbook for beginners and teens because I couldn't find anything like it on the market. Students will begin their journey by taking career surveys. What are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? How much school do I really want to go to after high school? What kind of degree will I need? They'll also be giving definitions to important words like what does it mean to have a benefit? What does entry level mean? Students will then choose from a job options of real life numbers. After they've picked out their job, they'll have to figure out what their take home pay is. What does gross income mean? What does net income mean? How do taxes work? Once your student has figured out their take home pay, they'll be filling out a monthly budget tracker. How much am I going to spend on housing, transportation, food? Students will be making choices based on real numbers and real definitions of words they will need in their adult life. What is a mortgage? What does it mean that a house appreciates? Should I buy? Should I rent? What are some of the hidden costs of renting? What are some of the hidden costs of buying? Students will learn that their job will dictate many of their choices. Will they need a suit? Can they just have a casual wardrobe? Students may be shocked to find out how expensive some of their everyday life is. They may not know how much you pay every month for their beloved pet. Students will be encouraged to leave margin for savings. Do I need a new car? Am I going to want to buy a house if I'm renting now? If I have a home, I need to save for home repairs. Students will also be encouraged to leave margin for chance. They will roll a dice and maybe their computer crashes or they drop a smartphone. They need to know to plan for the unexpected. When they're done, they're going to balance their budget. What does a deficit mean? What does a surplus mean? After your students have completed their budget with real life numbers and real life salaries, they'll be able to do some research on their local cost of living. What will their entry-level salary really be in their area? How much will the home costs be in their area? The back of the book includes extra monthly budget trackers for them to be able to fill out their own local costs. Financial Reality Check is a practical workbook that's available on Amazon right now under Robin Joyner. It will help your teen prepare for adult life.